To create a YouTube channel, all you have to do is be logged into a Google email. So for this one, I have the 305 online at Gmail. So then you open a new tab, you go to YouTube, and you can see that I'm already logged in on YouTube because YouTube and Google are owned by the same company. And you go to your channel, and here you can choose to customize the channel or not, and you literally just upload a video. That's it. And then it goes right into where you can select a file. The best way to do this is on your phone. So you are logged into your Google account, like your Gmail. Then you open up a YouTube app on your phone, and then you can just transfer your videos from your phone to your YouTube account. And then you can edit and do cool things. I'm not doing any cool things, but it probably takes like 1 minute to upload a video on YouTube versus 20 minutes to upload a video on your Google Drive. I hope that answers your question.